helmet on. Heart is lighter, twist that grip. I'm the HyperBiker! HyperBiker! Flat out, fast higher. Hit that road and light it up. Love it, HyperBiker!
And then we got
I got you old school DVD, dog.
Damn, that's unreal. Oh, nice. Yeah, the motorcycle book. Sick. Yes. Probably keep these out here while I just screw around.
Yeah, man.
The bike right here. Got an R1 on here. Nasty.
Yeah.
That's a nasty bike, man. Back then, man.
Nasty bike, dog.
Sick. Yeah, this
Yeah,
is
man.
cool, man.
What do you think?
Dude, that's a big book.
Got
Oh my
everything.
god, that's a big book. Okay, plain route. This is like good to have for when you have done your rides and you can look back and be like, remember that time when we went to fucking here?
Yeah, but yo, let me show you my favorite part though. This part, there's a part where you do mods. This is my favorite one.
Oh shit.
So you got internals, you got tires.
Damn, dude.
You can go to the next one over. You can even do like your fuel systems, your suspension setup. You can even talk about how much weight you've lost, how much of a difference it made.
Oh.
And then you have a tracking section too. If you go to the track, you want to upgrade and improve your riding.
Yeah.
You can reflect on that too around the end.
Okay.
So go on the last page here. There's a section.
Bike setup, lap sessions, right?
Yeah. There you go.
Oh, that's sick.
I figured that would be someone like you would probably enjoy.
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah, man.
I'm really hoping to get out to Calibogi this year again.
Ooh, yeah.
Get this thing with the bike.
Hit me with the and then I fucking turn around and get up. Hey man, we that fucking.
This battery charger.
One eternity later.
Oh my god. Just like that, I'm out in a t-shirt. And the motorcycle's ready to ride. What the fuck? There's no snow. Just happened like overnight. Not something I'm entirely used to seeing on the dash of my car, but I mean, that is a great feeling. With that being said, you can only imagine what's next. Well, bike season, and it's around the corner, and I decided why not go over and pay a visit to the bike, see how it's doing as it's in storage. We got a couple things under wraps. We're gonna try to work on the brakes, get some upgraded brake lines on there, and a couple other things to make the bike pop a little bit more. So I'm really excited, and I know it's been a while. May as well take advantage of it and go full swing.
Ready for a bolt.
Holy crap, dude. That shit is so satisfying.
No thanks, no thanks.
Woo! Yeah, this motherfucker got come on, my man. T banjo bolt on the underneath the reservoir. And this is the banjo bolt for the brake. Let this kind of loose. Oh yeah, suck me, huh?
Daddy bitch, you are. Armando, you're gonna fuck me so good tonight.
Armando, you touch my nipple.
Oh, I have to work it back and forth to make it free.
That's spicy. Oh. Where's the seal? This is the little rubber seal. Yeah, so the seal goes in that groove. That's that seal. So now. Whoa. Yeah. Dude, they're grimy. But there's no grooves in it.
Doesn't look like it, no.
It looks smooth.
Or this, I'm worried about this.
Yeah, and then turn it around the other way too. There's some on the other side too, yeah.
That's a little too far down. Because the seal is right there. Right there.
Yeah.
You have about this much before the seal. So, I mean.
This one too. There's a big chunk there. Oh, sludge. Oh, shit. Nasty. Absolutely nasty. Look at all the grime. Damn. Damn, boy. Damn, boy. Way cleaner. It's gonna feel so much fucking better. All right. Well, we gotta get new piston caliper. We gotta get new pistons for the front calipers. They're completely fucked, but we fucked them up, taking them out of the front calipers. It is what it is. It was a great learning experience. And on to the next time we get to get pistons for the front calipers. Hey, what's going on? Before you leave, I got some very important things to tell you. Yeah, you. Place your eyes upon thou. For some time, I went ahead and put together this really awesome book. This is called The Motorcycle Companion. You can actually find it on Amazon for sale right now, and it's got everything you need related to your motorcycle journey. If you want to support me, HyperBiker, go ahead and click on that link in the description down below. The Motorcycle Companion is offered in both paperback and hardcover copy, just in case you go down. Oh, I don't know where I am. Oh, I'm shopping for a motorcycle, how great. Oh, now I'm shopping for insurance, how great. I want to inspect my bike before buying it. I've bought it now. What do I have to do to make sure that the purchasing process goes well? Here's a little snippet of my motorcycle. Here it is the day I got it. Here's some information about my insurance. Is my motorcycle doing okay? You know, I got an oil change coming up. Maybe I should probably track that here. I kind of want to make the motorcycle different. Exhaust systems, intake systems, fuel systems, suspension upgrades. This is cool. I've been itching to go for a nice road trip. Oh, here we go. This past summer was awesome. What were my favorite rides? You know, come to think about it, County Road 11 was really cool. It's definitely something different that stood out like a sore thumb, and I really hope that maybe this can be your next companion that you have on your wish list. Appreciate you guys. This was HyperBiker. See you again soon.